So this is the man that killed over 58 people and injured over 515, and that's the new number that the authorities have given to the public. 58 people and 515 injured. So his name is Stephen Paddock, a 64-year-old that opened fire on a festival goers, and he was on the 32nd floor of the Mandalay Bay Hotel where 20 rifles were found. He subsequently killed himself before the authorities got to his room, and he killed over 58 people. And this is what Jason Aldean had to say. He was the one performing when the shooting started, and he said, and I quote, "My thoughts and prayers goes out to everyone involved tonight. It hurts my heart that this would happen to anyone who was just coming out to enjoy what should have been a fun night." One eyewitness said that a woman had entered the crowd with a male companion and screamed, "They're all around, you're all going to fucking die today," just 45 minutes before the gunfire broke out. The woman was described as being Hispanic and in her 50s, and she and the man were escorted out of the venue by security. Witnesses Brianna Hendricks, who was in the Las Vegas festival celebrating her 21st birthday, said there was a lady who came running up behind us in the concert and started to play with people's hair, acting crazy, and she told us we were all going to effing die. She said they're all around us and we were going to die, continued Hendricks, whose mom, Sean Hendricks, also witnessed the startling altercation. This is what Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino had to say about the situation. This evening there was a tragic active shooter situation at the south end of the Las Vegas Strip. Law enforcement and emergency personnel responded quickly to the incident and secured the scene. Law enforcement requested that we put hotels in the vicinity on lockdown to ensure guest safety. We will provide more information as it becomes available. Then they tweeted, "Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims of last night's tragic events. We're grateful for the immediate actions of our first responders."
We're just
police are saying that family members and friends looking for their loved ones can call 1-866-535-5654, and the number is 1-866-535-5654. So they say that he hasn't been linked to any international terrorist group or any of that. And in my expert thoughts and opinions, I feel like this is an act of terror. The media won't say it because he is white, but I'm going to say it now. He is a terrorist and should be treated as such. If it was anybody else of any different race or ethnicity, they would be busting it down in the media and on all these news network and saying that he's a terrorist and all that. But with this man, it's totally different. They took forever to release his picture to the media. They took forever to say who he was, and they took forever to say that this was premeditated because they went into the concert and started screaming and acting crazy that people were going to die, and no one took any notice of that. And that's why you need to be very careful when you go to these concerts nowadays, because you never know what can happen. The media won't say exactly what it is, but we know what it is. He is a terrorist, and I have no problem saying that he is a terrorist. And they're saying that he's a lone wolf. I bet you that later on today they're going to say that he was mentally ill and he had no prior convictions and all that. So everybody, please protect yourself. Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your friends, and tell me in the comment section what you think about this one. It's very sad.